shift our focus to another story that we're tracking very closely. Stunning details coming in. CBI's big disclosure in the NEET UG paper leak case. Mastermind Manisha Vaghmare is in conspiracy with other accused and other public servants associated with the NTA had received the question paper and answers on 27th April, and she provided the same to several people, including the accused Dhananjay, in exchange for the money. Allegedly, she had destroyed the question paper after the NEET 2026 was conducted, and this is as far as the probe into the NEET paper leak case is concerned. There are several of the accused who have been taken into custody, and the police has hinted at a larger conspiracy that is involved in several of the accused that will also be arrested in the coming days. And we are learning about the stunning details that are coming in as far as the CBI's big probe in the NEET UG paper leak is concerned. Mastermind that you can see on the screen, Manisha Vaghmare, she in conspiracy with another accused and public servants associated with the NTA. They had received the question paper a few days before the paper was held. That was on May 3rd. On 27th April, she got the paper. She provided the same to several people, including the accused Dhananjay, in exchange for money. And she also destroyed the question paper after the examination was conducted. And now police is looking into a larger conspiracy that was involved, and several accused that will also be arrested by CBI in the coming days as well. And days after, Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan admitted that there were loopholes in the NEET exam process and that NTA needed to be fixed. There has been no letter from the opposition parties. They are insisting that he should hand over his resignation. Another round of protests that you can see on the screen happened as far as Congress Party and Aam Aadmi Party are concerned. They continue to target the Education Minister. Rahul Gandhi has also amped up the pressure, saying that Mr. Pradhan had cheated 23 lakh students. He went on to claim that the 2024 paper leak, the Parliamentary Committee on Education headed by Digvijay Singh of the Congress Party had submitted a recommendation to the Education Ministry. They were junked, according to him, only because the committee had opposition members in them. He also once again asked the Education Minister to be removed from the post of the Education Ministry. Listen into the reactions coming in.
ये एक नेक्सस है आरएसएस, बीजेपी और जो हमारे यूनिवर्सिटीज में इनके लोग बैठाए गए हैं, वाइस चांसलर्स बैठाए गए हैं, प्रोफेसर्स बैठाए गए हैं, इनके बीच में पैसे बनाने का नेक्सस है। प्रधानमंत्री को इमीडिएट ऑर्डर देना चाहिए कि धर्मेंद्र प्रधान जी को इस्तीफा दें, उनको सैक किया जाए और जो गिल्टी लोग हैं उनको पकड़ के जेल में डाला जाए।
And this is coming on a day when the Central Bureau of Investigation has narrowed down on the mastermind and the kingpin of the last year's leak as well. Embarrassingly and shockingly enough, both the professors are from Maharashtra who were part of the NTA's paper setting process. Manisha Mandhara, who was a biology teacher, she was arrested from Pune yesterday. P.V. Kulkarni, as we told you, a chemistry professor, was arrested from Latur, both in Maharashtra. The opposition yesterday not just led the protest in the national capital, but also made a very grave allegation. They claim that students were committing suicide because of the examination cancellation and that NTA had become the national trauma agency, and that is a big charge that has come in from the opposition parties. Listen in.
देखिए, यही शिक्षा मंत्री 2 साल पहले आपके सामने आए थे, यही तो शिक्षा मंत्री थे और यही शिक्षा मंत्री के यही डायलॉग थे कि हम ये करेंगे, हम वो करेंगे, वो करेंगे। ये शिक्षा मंत्री तो वैसे ही हैं। कई बच्चों ने जान दे दी और लाखों बच्चों का करियर खराब हो गया। तो अब इस शिक्षा मंत्री की बात पे भरोसा नहीं है। शिक्षा मंत्री को तो बदला जाना चाहिए। और 5 दिन की जांच के अंदर आपने मास्टरमाइंड भी पकड़ लिया, आपने केस भी कह दिया जी हो गया, सारा हो गया। ये लीपापोती है।
ये बीजेपी वाले वो हैं जो कहते हैं कि पापा वार रुकवा देते हैं। अगर बीजेपी वाले या नरेंद्र मोदी जी जो कंप्रोमाइज प्रधानमंत्री हैं वो वार रुकवा सकते हैं, तो पेपर लीक को क्यों नहीं रुकवा पा रहे पिछले 10 सालों से? 89 बार पेपर लीक हुए हैं। और साथ ही साथ ये भी कहना चाहता हूँ कि ये पेपर लीक रोकने की कोई कोशिश नहीं हो रही। बीजेपी वाले खुद मिले हैं इस पेपर लीक से। बीजेपी घबराई हुई है, प्रोटेस्ट करने लगे। देश के बच्चे, देश के स्टूडेंट सुसाइड कर रहे हैं, वो सुसाइड ना करें इसके लिए प्रयास कर रहे हैं, हम संघर्ष कर रहे हैं। लेकिन बीजेपी को ये गुजार नहीं, बीजेपी को ये सहन नहीं। वो चाहती है कि कोई भी ना बोले। उन माँ बाप से पूछो जिनके बच्चे सुसाइड कर रहे हैं, इस इशू को उठाना चाहिए कि नहीं उठाना चाहिए।
ये सिस्टम का ही फेलियर है। 2024 में भी इसके बारे में बात की गई थी। ये सिस्टमैटिक मर्डर है, ये सिस्टम प्रायोजित मर्डर है उन बच्चों का, उनके वो सपनों का, उनके इरादों का, उनकी अपेक्षाओं का, जो ये सरकार करने में नाकामयाब रही।
इसके लिए पूरे तरीके से चेयरमैन एनटीए प्रदीप जोशी और धर्मेंद्र प्रधान मंत्री, ये दोनों जिम्मेदार हैं। 24 में हुआ, 25 में भी हुआ है, और इसमें धर्मेंद्र प्रधान जी को और एनटीए के चेयरमैन को तत्काल इस्तीफा दे देना चाहिए।
Reason is this has happened twice. In 2024 the same thing happened and now it has happened again. Now government in 2024 should have taken some strict action which they didn't. Rather the person who was in charge of the national technical committee, he has been promoted as CS of a BJP controlled state.
Now moving on and shifting our focus, Prime Minister Modi